All right, hi everyone. So for discussion number 3, you're going to be doing a couple of different things here. I'm kind of going off of our topic for the week, which is looking at academic sources and non-academic sources and finding information online or finding credible sources. So for this week, you're going to choose a specific search topic related to psychology. And you got to be specific. So I give you a few examples: PTSD, depression, anorexia. How effective is EMDR, intrinsic motivation, emotions, personality? Pick something specific. It could be anything you want, but the more narrow you get, probably the more successful that you will be. Like, what are some treatments for PTSD or effective treatments for PTSD, symptoms of depression, something specific like that. And then you're going to do the same search using 3 different platforms. So you're going to do a general search using a search engine like Yahoo or Google, something that is typical and kind of a general search engine. Then you're going to try Google Scholar, which is something that we were presented on in our library session. And then Psych articles, which is through the library, also something in the library session that was gone over. So after you've completed these 3 searches, you're just going to type in your specific term in those 3 different places. You're going to then answer the following questions related to Chapter 2, Part 2 on sources of information. So number 1, what was your specific search topic? So just tell me the specific term that you searched for. Number 2, you're going to reflect on the differences between the 3 different search platforms. So I give you a couple questions to kind of help guide you in that reflection. What kind of information did you get from the general search engine you chose? Were the results based on research, or were they more like commercial websites, blogs? What did you come up with? Which of the 3 platforms was the easiest to use when you wanted more of like a general overview of the topic you were trying to find out about? Which platform gave you the most up-to-date research? And which of the 3 makes it easiest to know if the information has been peer-reviewed? So just a few different things getting at the differences between those 3 searches you did. Then you'll also briefly talk about what is the difference between an academic and a non-academic source. So define and describe the 2 and give me one example of each. And describe an advantage and disadvantage of using specifically Wikipedia. So I look forward to what you came up with. You don't have to describe or read necessarily the articles that come up with your search. You're just focusing on different searches, different types of information, and how you can get at them depending on where you search. So I look forward to reading your responses for this week's discussion.